Welcome back, my dear friends. Today, we will draw cute floppy bird. First, we will draw the head. And the next is the body. And the tail. The wing. And then the crown. The big two eyes. And the beak. And then the two legs. And then we will put branch of the tree right here. Then the leaves. And now we will put vertical line of the tail and horizontal line for the wing. And that's it. And now let us color in the bird. The first is the crown with the color of red. Then the next is the head with the color yellow. And then the body with the color of green. Now we will color also the leaves, of course, green. And then the breast, color orange. the two eyes is blue. The two legs is pink. And last one is the branch with the color brown. Then finally we are done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next video we will see again. Bye.